Right here I got some Splash Refresher water. It's water that's kind of lemon flavored. It's got 0 sugar, 0 calories, electrolytes, stuff you'd want in water. So that's pretty cool. This is a 6-pack. I'm not seeing anything too, I guess, noteworthy on the packaging. I guess other than, you know, the name and whatnot. But, I mean, it looks kind of like a normal bottle of water that you'd drink. Nutrition-wise, there's some sodium, probably the electrolytes, some magnesium, a little bit of zinc, and then some of the other ingredients. That's a lot of ingredients for water, but you know, the world is made up of a lot of beautiful things. I'm gonna hold on, let me open this. I had to pause to use both my hands, but I'm gonna take a quick sip of this and I'll tell you what I think about it. This is gonna sound crazy, but it's water with a little bit of a lemon taste. It's pretty good. I like it. It's not like a terrible lemon taste, and that makes it sound like I didn't like it. I honestly did like it. It's sweet. It's got a nice hint of lemon. I can't tell any of like electrolyte or other kind of taste to it. It just does taste like water with a nice lemon taste. So great product. This is a 6-pack. They probably have more than just 6. I don't know about individuals. That would probably be a lot to order, but yeah, if you need a spin on water, tired of boring old plain water, there's this water, and I think they also offer pineapple mango if that's in stock. So try it for yourself. I'm gonna have some more.